Nick, how is this off-roading experience, my friend?
Fucking amazing.
Yeah! Time for some pendulum! Let's go. Let's do this, guys. Damn, son!
Can't see.
Get on! Oh, fuck. Oh shit! Yeah! Oh, fucking air, dude! Don't Nick!
No, I'm not doing that.
Shit,
I
that
want
one!
to break my car.
That would have launched you. That one would have launched you. Nick, you sexy bastard.
Thanks.
Every lady who's watching this on YouTube, he is a single man. Oh my god!
That the camera was up there. We almost went over the edge just to let you know. It's an adventure.
This is an adventure! John, camera! Let me see it! Now point it at me! Oh, fuck! Fuck! You pop your fuck. Oh, shit! Stop! Stop the tire! Hey, you popped the tire! Yeah, stop!
Stop.
Let's check.
I did it. I heard it.
That one's good. Yeah, that one's good. Front one's good.
I heard it.
It's the can. It's the
Nah, hey Nick, come here. You fucked your rim up.
a little bit. Yeah, dude.
Oh, it's
soda.
the.
It was the soda.
It was the fucking
It
soda.
was the fucking soda.
Oh. Fuck.
Alright, let's go.
Just in case there is a small leak, we get the fuck out of here so we're not stuck.
Fun.
Let's go.
Fuck my god. Oh my god.
Did I do any body damage to my car?
No, there's no body damage whatsoever.
That is fucking lucky.
Yeah, that
I
was
heard
a
a crack.
Yeah, it was the soda.
No, I heard more than that. You want to take another look? Now I'm good.
And
Praise the Lord! Oh yeah!
oh Jesus. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Oh no, it's just this.
Oh, you fucked your bumper up on both sides now, dude. That made a sexy sound when you were turning.
Does anybody have a knife?
Adam. Sean. Damage report.
Status okay.
Situation update.
Hey, someone film this. Hold up the camera.
Taking it with me as a memory.
What the fuck are you doing?
And that's where the dick is too. Oh my god! Squirt, squirt, squirt!
Dick? Look at all the soda. Oh well, we'll wash that. Hold on. Let's check everything out.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna do another check of the inside of the tire.
Yeah, your bumper's okay.
What did I...
Your rim's okay. You were rubbing on that piece of plastic. Oh, let me look under your car.
Beaner
Oh,
is
shit,
doing...
there's a beater underneath there.
Oh my god,
You
Beaner!
got one. Alright. Are you serious?
the camera out of my face.
It's hot. My balls are sweating.
My balls are sweating. I swear I could have gotten a boner from that. No joke. I thought your car broke. The fuck are you doing? Nothing? I think he's fucking your car, Nick.
Is there a problem with that?
I don't know. Ah! Ah! He's raping! Is there a hole in your seat? Maybe.
Yeah, there is.
Oh shit. So, what's the holdup, sir?
I'm texting. Fuck you.
What seems to be the officer problem?
I'm texting. Fuck you.
You're
Deal with it,
texting?
officer. Fuck the police.
Are you sexting?
I can text when I'm
Are
driving
you
if I
sexting
want
right
to.
now?
Are you sexting?
Because I want to be a part of it.
I'm sexting.
Ooh, what's that?
He's drawing a dick on his phone.
Damn.
That's just for high speed zone.
Milf.
No.
Milf.
Shut up, you guys. It's rude.
Nick's like, I want to fuck you.
I'll say that, but I won't say no.
Make it sharp. Oh, baby.
Yeah, it's rubbing on something else.
On my dick.
Hold on, I have an idea.
Oh.
It's rubbing on this.
Yeah. I think your tire went backwards.
Yeah, you're rubbing on the body right here.
That's not good.
What does that mean?
It's not good. Something's broken in here.
Man, look, you cut your tires,
That's not good.
Alright, stop the video.
It's called tow truck.
Yeah, you don't want to be on the freeway with that.
Oh, look at this. Oh, I fucked up the line there. That's part of it.
Here, I'm gonna get my other shirt on.
Hey, my homie Ryan Buswell flipped his car up in the canyon, and at least we didn't do that.
I know.
It's still on its wheels.
No camera.
Dude, turn off the camera.
So how did you like that off-roading trip, dude? It was fun until we hit that rock. But overall, the beginning of it, fucking badass.
Just think of it this way, it could be worse. It couldn't even be trafficable.